Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Devon Terrell in raw form, and welcome to another Help Me Devon review. And today, in this Help Me Devon review, I'll be showing you guys the Auto Key app from Antares. Basically, we are able to literally take our phones, put it up to our speakers, and finally get the key every single time. And there's nothing to be embarrassed about if you're a person that struggles to find the key, or if you just want to get up and running immediately and fast. This is a new solution that you can use basically from the company that a lot of us are using to kind of, well, obviously get the key. Simple as that. So I'm going to show you guys the app, and I'm going to also show you guys how it actually can be used with your computer in the DAW as well, so that you have a very seamless functionality with the entire thing. So let's get right to it. So first and foremost, let's bring up my phone. And we're looking at the app. Literally, as soon as you go into the app, you're greeted with this screen. Now, of course, what you want to do is you want to sign into your Antares account, and you want to be able to connect these things. Now, once you sign into your account with autotune, basically it'll ask to send you a link to your email, and from there you can connect your computer with the phone app so that they both can communicate. You follow those instructions. Now, granted, if you're saying, oh, that sounds confusing, you can click right here, this little settings button, and you can click app instructions. And when you click app instructions, it's a general run through of basically how to use the app and how to get around it. So don't feel like you're gonna get lost. If you wanna use that, if you wanna use the app in that particular way, as far as making it talk to your computer, you can do that. That is a possibility. But if you're an engineer and you want to use it in a simple way, I'm going to show you the simple way to use it, and then I'm going to show you the way to integrate it with your computer. So simply put like this. Right now, I have a sample loaded up in my computer, or a beat, I guess you could say. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press play. And when I press play, I'm going to take my Auto Key app, and I'm going to hold it up, and I'm going to get the key of the song. So let's try that right now. I'm going to mute my mic and hold on and just let it play from my speakers. Here we go. Okay, so the key says E major and C sharp minor. Now, if you're new to understanding music and keys and notes and scales and things of that nature, just know that E major is the relative for C sharp minor. It's the same thing. It's just giving you if you want to put it in major or minor, okay? Don't get too wrapped up on that. You can literally just go and press the E major instead. So we got our key. Of course, what you would probably do is you would go right on over to autotune, and let's bring up one of our autotune plugins. Let's bring up our Autotune Pro, okay? And basically what you would do is you would go right here and you would say E and say major. Obvious, right? Okay, now that's the simple way to use it. Put your phone up to the speaker, play the song, gives you the key, input it into the system. Now, if you want to impress your friends though, what you would do is this. Let's zero this out and put it down, right? And when I say zero it out, I'm just putting it back to its default setting. And let's also do something a little funky. Let's also open up another Autotune plugin as well. So let's open up this Autotune EFX plugin, right? Boom. And as you can see, soprano C major. And then we have our other Autotune Pro that's at soprano C major with the chromatic scale. Okay, so say for instance now, I have my phone in my hand, I just listen to the music, and I'm saying, okay, I wanna just push what the information that it gave me on my phone right into the plugin. This is what I would do. I literally go over to my phone, I press send autotune, it sees my computer, I press confirm, key sent, boom, and you just saw that right there on the screen. It literally changed the key for us right to our key that we got from our phone. So, I mean, I don't think it gets any easier than that. You can use it in the way where basically you just say, this is E major, and you just put it right into your auto-tune settings, or you can make it where it integrates and talks to your computer and you basically push it there. So now when you go to those studio sessions, now when you're out with other musicians or anything of that nature, you can have a bona fide way for you to find the key of your songs every single time. So when it comes to your auto tunes and getting them in key. And if you're an engineer, this is super fast, super easy way to do it. I highly recommend you guys download the app. It's in the App Store, and I'll also make sure I leave a description in the bio so that you can actually download it as well. It's called Auto Key. So I hope that was helpful. It was a quick review on an app from Antares regarding the Auto Key app that I really like. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Let me know also if there's any other plugins, apps that you want me to review or check out for you guys. Make sure that you also visit helpmedevon.info at any time, basically to get some of our templates, vocal chains, and things of that nature to keep this channel going. And also make sure you follow us at helpmedevon on the Instagram. And make sure you also follow our Discord community with a bunch of aspiring engineers like yourself that are just picking up game and learning from each other. Well, that was my review. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, guys.